Hey guys, Nicole and Rachel here with the CQ Real Estate Group. Today we are in the Volcanes Subdivision in West Albuquerque.
We are here at our newest listing at 1639 Casa Florida Place Northwest. We are super excited to show you guys this one. It is a 3-bed, 2.5 bath, about 1685 square feet. Let's go take a look.
Upon entrance, you'll notice the synthetic wood vinyl, vaulted ceilings, large windows that bring in a ton of natural light, and an open floor plan which brings you right into the kitchen.
Now once you get into the kitchen, you're surrounded by upgraded cabinets, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances. You also have recessed lighting which goes right into the dining area as well and connects to your laundry room and your half bath.
Wow, I love this backyard space.
Yeah, same.
You have this large shaded patio, turf, as well as a raised flower bed that goes all the way around the backyard.
There are no backyard neighbors, and we're backed up against an arroyo, so there aren't going to be backyard neighbors. There's no side yard neighbors, so it just feels so private back here. You also have really awesome running trails on the side of the house, and then you kind of have like an open view all the way around.
Absolutely, this probably makes for a great sunset view as well.
I would imagine so, just right over there. So at the top of the landing, after you get up the stairs, you come right into your primary bedroom. Here in the primary bedroom, you have quite a bit of space in here, which connects into the full bathroom that has the bathtub, standing shower, as well as the separate water closet.
Coming back into the hallway, you have your 2 guest bedrooms. Coming into the first room, you have an adjoining closet, which would make for a great at-home office or nursery. Coming down the hallway, you'll have your full guest bathroom, and walking into your second guest bedroom, you actually have private entrance and exit to this incredible upstairs patio. This is beautiful.
Yeah, it really is. Can you imagine like in the spring and summertime when this tree is bloomed?
I would love to come out here with my coffee in the morning.
Yeah, you have a really good mountain view right there, so I'm sure that's beautiful. And then kind of below, you can see the running trails and everything too.
Thank you guys for touring this beautiful West Side home. And if you guys would like to see it, or if you have any questions at all, please use any of the methods on the screen to get in contact with us.
As always, we are the CQ Real Estate Group. We are a real estate team here in Albuquerque that is passionate about our city and the greater surrounding Albuquerque area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow.